Using your smartphone to design flyers, logos, and book covers is a very important skill that you need to learn in this digital age. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone to design beautiful flyers like this, and even logos and mock-up for book covers, for t-shirt designs, and many other things using a very simple and easy to use application software. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel in order to be notified on the next tutorial video, because it's going to be a step-by-step practical one to achieve you being a professional at this. See you in class. There is a particular tool that strictly edits only text, and this is it right here. Let me highlight it for you. This A2. So this A here, when you want to work on a text, anything text related, please stick to using this A2. Every effect that you work from this A2 applies to only text. It only affects the text. You cannot go to the background editing tool to work on a text. It will not give you that effect. So when you want to work on a text, you stick to this A2. That's what helps you to edit a text. Like now, I want to work on this your text. You see that it is highlighted here. Let me tap outside this your text stuff, and you see it has gone out. Okay, it is now on this default. Let me delete it. It's also a text, but if I want to work on a text, I have to tap on that text I want to work on. So I tap on this your text now. Now the first option here is styles. What style of text do you want to give this particular text? And this is this. Let me highlight it for you. This is style here. So we tap on styles and we see I tap on browse. So you see the different effects that it can give me. Anyone I tap on, it will give me that effect. It will be shown on the text, the particular text that I tapped on. Look at it. So this is actually how it works. Now the next thing here, the next option here is, do you want to edit this text? Yes, I don't want to use this particular write up your text, so let me edit it. I tap on edit, and then I can cancel and write whatever I want to write. Let me say today is Friday and I want to write thank God it's Friday, TGIF. I want to write thank God it's Friday, which is TGIF. If I want to make this TGIF in block letter, capital letter all through, I'll just tap on this TT effect up here. Let me highlight it, this TT here, and it will give me a block letter effect. I just tap here and everything is now in block letter, and I tap OK. So that's the text I want to write. You can use that edit to write any text. If I want to delete this particular text, I just tap on delete. But to work on a particular text, maybe I have many texts. Let me add another text. Let me show you something. Okay, this is another text now, and I want to work on, I don't want to work on this your text, I want to work on TGIF. I'll have to tap on TGIF to get the effect I need on that is reflected in TGIF. But I cannot tap outside TGIF and then expect any editing effect to be on TGIF. So I have to tap on that particular text to work on. Now if I want to copy this text, I just simply tap on copy, which is here, highlighted here. Tap copy and this text will be duplicated. If I want to bring it, okay, if I want to bring this second TGIF text behind or in front of the first one, you may not really see the effect since they're just few. Or let me change the write up of this one so that you understand what I want to do right now. Maybe I want to say thank God it's Friday, and I say okay. Okay, thank God it's Friday, and tap okay. Now you can see that there are two texts there and one is behind the other. Thank God it's Friday is behind this TGIF. So I want to work on TGIF, right? If I tap in front, it will bring it in front of TGIF. If I tap to back, it will take it behind. TGIF will now be in front of it. So that's the effect of this, and then you move. Now this particular icon here, position, is to either take it, let's tap and see how it works. So you can move the text that you're working on, the one that has this icon, this triangular icon on it. It shows that that's the one you're working on. So if I want to move it anyhow I want to move it, either to the left, okay, to the right I tap here, to the left I tap here, and then up or down. So anyone you tap on, it will give you that effect, to the right, up or down. That's how it works. But if I want to give it an automatic position, I tap on this relative position and either take it to the extreme left, extreme right, to the middle, or to the center, or to the down or up. So that's actually how it works, to position it. Now to increase or decrease the size of a particular text, I can just tap on text size and you have to hold down this circle icon here to drag either to the right or to the left, to increase, to reduce. So I hold down this circle and drag, it is increasing, and I take it minus to the minus area, that means it's reducing, to the plus area is increasing. So that's actually how it works. I tap OK or good. Now but also you can increase or reduce the size of a text using this icon here, this particular circle here. You drag it inward or outward to increase or reduce, to increase or reduce. That's actually how it works. So okay, and then the next thing here is padding. The padding option is to help you to add more space to the text so that the color or the font style is going to show. There's some font style that you pick, and then to not enable every single feature in your text to show, so you use padding to recover that. Now color, you want to add color to this text. Remember that everything text editing related is still in this A. You cannot work on text outside this A icon. So if I want to add color, I tap on color and then pick color and then give it the color I want, black, blue, any color of my choice. So let's take black for instance, and I tap OK. If I want the color to be a gradient, that means a combination of two or more colors, I just tap on gradients here and to give me the gradients options here. Look at the different effects here, the combination here. So that's actually how it works. I tap OK. Now if I want to add texture to this text, I can also go to texture and to give me texture effect, go to my image and pick the texture that I want and to give me that effect. So that's actually how, and you see other options here. We're going to explain this in detail in the next video.